Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's episode, I'm quickly gonna show you how to get the ring light feature on Snapchat. First, let me show you how the ring light feature looks like. Now the ring light feature is only available on the front camera of Snapchat, so make sure you tap on this switcher on the top and switch to front camera. Once you do that, you simply tap on this flash, and once you select the flash, you can see that the ring light will be selected. Now if you didn't know yet and you are trying on the back camera, yours should be popping up. Here you can increase the width of the light and change the light. Now if you still don't have this feature, this could be because Snapchat or any other applications releases any new feature in a rolling basis, which means everyone does not have the same feature all at once. So if your friend living in the same area has that feature and you don't, you'll just need to wait out a couple of days before Snapchat gives you that option. Now in the meantime, you can try to check if there is any new update of Snapchat. You can open up the Play Store or the App Store and search for Snapchat. If you see that there is an update, you can tap on update and update the app. Now the second thing that you can do is tap on the Snapchat logo right here. From here you can scroll down and you can join the beta version of Snapchat. Currently it is full, but by the time you're watching, if it is available, you can tap on join right here. Beta versions are the latest and test versions of any kinds of application. So if you join the beta version, there is a high chance that you'll get the light feature. But like I earlier said, you'll need to wait out a couple of days in order to have that feature on your phone. So I hope I could help. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these informative videos, also make sure to turn on that notification. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.